80 plus, I reckon. Steve, now, get ready. Yep. No, I'll swim him in here now. So all you do is wait till his head's on its side and he's just being a lazy cunt and just put the net in front of him. He's going to jump in the net. Oh, I think that's some glue. That was brand new. Okay, Stevie. Oh, that's not your fault. That's just mine. Here we go. Net in, net in. Oh. Oh. I just put that lure on and had one cast. Huh? That lure was one cast old.
Is it? Worked.
Yep.
Oh, he's a fat fish too.
Yeah. I guess Stevie slide the net out.
Huh?
He is a fat fish, as.
He's a fatty. Huh?
Make sure you hold him off the GoPro.
Hey, did you see the lure come out of his mouth?
Yeah.
It's still on it.
Or maybe it was bait. He had it in his
Look at that
mouth.
hook.
Fuck me, man.
Can you give me a good shot, Stevie?
What to go with 900,000 other ones.
Make sure you hold him up to the GoPro too, Russ.
This way?
No.
That way?
Yeah. Got it?
Right.
Got it?
Yes, big fish.
Thanks, Steve.
So that was at one lure?
Yeah. Look at as.
Huh?
Treble straight too.
Hell.
They're strong fish. Ouch. Get away, you fly cunts.
It's right there behind us. Right there. Right out that tree. There's like fucking 5 of them there.
I'm going to lift this lid, as.
We need a tree there.
See it? Right there. Yep. Perfect shot, mate.
Who brought their school bag?
Your
I did.
father-in-law. Yep, all up on that bank.
I thought we were going home. I got my wallet and everything and I didn't want to leave it in the clothes.
You're a very trusting fella, Steve. Here's a 90 model.
Maybe a meter. I was going to say, he's a bit fucking...
Oh, don't want to leave it. Get away.
Do you want me to turn that boat around?
That's a meter. That's a meter.
Oh, hang on, stop. This on the side of the boat.
That's a meter. What do you think?
He's gonna be high 90s, he's fat.
Fucking hell. Big fucker.
That's him. That's a meter.
Hmm?
Why do you keep putting the pliers and shit?
You keep putting them there. I haven't had a fish today, so you can't blame me.
I'm not blaming him. Oh, that fucking hook straightened, dude.
Oh, the size of the scale.
Maybe not either.
Hmm?
I reckon he's a high 90s, definitely model.
No, I reckon it'd be bigger than 90.
Yeah, no idea. Yeah. 96. Yeah.
96?
Yeah. I'll get that in.
96.
I'll do the photo things out. GoPro on.
Your GoPro's on. Always on.
You want to come stand here?
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got the shakes now. You're a big fella. Heavy.
See the spikes in its back, Steve?
Yeah.
Watch. Watch, see it?
Yeah.
Now watch this.
Oh, yeah, righto.
Yep.
Was that scaring him? Oh, that's a big fish. Huh?
So I took a couple of portraits on that one for you. Took a couple of portrait mode photos.
Which one, Joe?
What do we do now?
Look at that, I even put my rod away. I learnt. Ooh, went through me line though. Fuck. What do you do now? Get me a metery.
Well, you buggered up their theory, Dad.
Hooks, Steve.
You buggered up their theory.
Guess what, Steve?
They said there was no fish here of a morning. Huh?
We're only 10 minutes into today.
You what?
We're fuck all into today. We're only just starting. We're gonna nail these.
They said that there was no fish here of a morning.
Oh, they know. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
The other people that
Yeah, but
Fish
they're
do.
only on side scan.
can't get nothing there of a morning. Yeah, right. Daryl just blew him out of the water.
Yep, Daryl's the man, mate. That fish will be going home and telling the PB fisherman that got him.
Very lucky day. Yeah, 20 good on you. 20 really lucky days.
I was done anything for a fucking
For what?
for a big lucky day.
A good day. It was yours yesterday. You know it was a short, real short. I smacked it out, but she wasn't going to try. Just going down there. Stevie, yeah, just work these trees.
Fucking unreal you are.
Fish
2 fucking seconds and you've got another. Push it in.
too. Yeah, Daryl's fucking good, man.
Huh?
Daryl's good. Daryl's you one of the team.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Huh? Another big fucker. Huh? I certainly can.
Oh, massive Daly river. Love this
done.
river.
Well done, Aaron. Right, I don't know how to stop it.
Just push the red button. Someone have a crack at it, did it? How you going, Steve?
Done a wonderful job. 2 fish for Aaron. For the A team.
A team.
Oh, so it's you two against me, Steve.
It's the A team.
Hey, you reckon that size is, Stevie?
52. There's the thing, measuring stick there.
Where is he?
Just there.
I reckon he'd be closer to 60. Oh yeah, dead on.
Right on, 60.
Little 60.
Well done.
Guilty.
Have a fun, mate.
Just lure it, you cut it out.
Video stuck. Video stuck.
Oh, I did get us, but I think the camera's pointing backwards. What are we? Beach days, bro. Beach days. March. Get one on there. Thanks, Daryl.
If I can change a little. Still getting the WA.
Fucking hell, he's small. Yeah, I did. Steve,
Don't say small, because it's smaller than mine.
how big was yours? I got 64.
120.
You got 120?
Daryl said. This is 120.
Oh, see if you drop it, yeah. Whew. Little fucker.
These glasses just come out of there. Oh, they're not very big. That's not ideal.
No.
Oh, fuck, sorry mate. Have you got it on video?
I can edit that bit out though.
Yeah, that's scary. You're fucking supposed to grab your shoulder and eat that. Oh, yep, yep.
Oh, you turned on it. You got him?
Yes. Fine.
Oh! Alright, Steve, put your rod in the water. Put your rod in the water, Steve. Wind down. Right, so. Yep, just keep winding, keep winding. Keep winding. Keep winding. That's the way. Alright, so lift your rod up now because it's under the boat.
Oh, yes. Put your rod out of gear. Oh. Right, go.
Stevie.
Yes. Watching.
That is fucking big. Right, so. Yep, just keep winding, keep winding. Keep winding. Keep winding. That's the way. Alright, so lift your rod up now because it's under the boat.
Oh, yeah. Click your rod out of gear.
Right,
Oh. Right, go.
Stevie.
Yes.
Alright,
Yes.
Stevie.
That might be a new PB for old mate.
Another one.
I think he's more than 97.
Well, what the fuck are you doing?
Taking my baby hook.
You babe.
You didn't want to come on the boat.
Got a bit of cantankerous about him, haven't you?
Stubborn.
I thought it was high 80s. Car 80s.
Oh.
What do you mean, right?
Yes. These at least a 90.
My favourite fish of the day. My favourite fish of the day.
90.
Thank you.
Oh, it's not.
Oh fuck, it's going. You look at that, mate. Still got mate.
Just one on the side of the gear stick there, near the. Yep, push up. Yep, control stick.
Touching it. It's touching the motor.
Oh, might be
Change juice or something. Back here.
Here we go, huh? I don't know, it's in his mouth.
Definitely a 95 plus.
That was good work, lads.
Huh?